Alright, y'all. I'm back. Technical difficulties. It's because I keep going from phone to phone. But anyway, this is the Nikon camera, so we're going to see how this go. But let's get into the video. Studio Mafia. Alright, y'all. I got some of my mommy clothes. And like I said, I'll be changing some of these into something that I can wear. Mommy to me collection. You did. So we're going to start by, hopefully I can find some pictures of her in it. But we're going to start with this one because, where did she think she was going? Where did she think she was going? This is a rumple. But I'm going to make it into a lockup. Period. This ain't done too fancy, but I know I'm going to wear lockups every day, no matter where I'm going, so yeah. Well, I might make it into one of those little long turbans I'll be wearing, the little wraparound turbans. But it's probably getting lock hat. Thank you, Waffle. Let's see. This one, I'm actually not changing at all. This is her long cardigan. And when I say this thing is long on me, baby, it's long. It's a long. To the side, wave has it. Oh. Still can see it. I'm keeping that like that. Keeping this like this. Don't forget to purchase your hoodies on the site now. It goes to my Instagram link in the bottom, in the bio. And the link is going to be in the description below. So go ahead. It comes in blue, black, and sand tan. Come on, y'all. Run me up. And these are skirts. Ugh. This is me coming into. She always used to make it. She loved these little floaty skirts, y'all. Loved them. I'm gonna make this into either the bottom and top piece of a loose fit. I'll make this a top and bottom loose fit blazer trouser set. We're gonna see how they go. I'm actually turning it upside down so the bottom had the elastic, or I might keep it at the waist. Gotta see. And then I also have this one because just in case that's not enough to do the top or the bottom, either or, I'm gonna hook it up with this. I might make this one actually the bottom one. So I might start off with this one. It's the exact same thing, just reverse print. The other one is white with black polka dots. This is black with white polka dots. We're gonna see how they go. And then we have some trouser pieces. So these two actually, I'm going to make half and half trousers. So these ain't nothing too special. Her work pants. These are her work pants. And when she started to wear color work pants, my mom used to only wear black, everything. To your girl. Started helping her get her stuff together. Because my mom was like a very, when it came to fashion, she was very like outgoing, out there. Like she did not care. She's a person who would wear like different patterns on top of things. And it will work because of her personality. I be telling people like your personality have to work with the clothing. The clothes don't make you, you make the clothes. You know what I'm saying? Like people want to be out, I want to look like that, But your personality don't even match that. Some people personality real live look good in like jeans and tennis shirt. Jeans and tennis shoes and a t-shirt. Like they real life look good in that because their personality would be like over. You know, it takes over that. Like, calm down. Everybody don't need to look the same. And y'all don't mind me. Sometimes I talk fast and I be trying to slow down. So every time I talk fast, y'all comment below. Since this is gonna be the only time y'all comment, golly, tell me what y'all want. Tell me what you want. Alright. Yeah, we gonna hope that the first part of this video uploaded because I recorded it on my phone and now I'm on my Nikon camera. So we're gonna see. These I'm actually gonna keep like these because I don't have no black pencil pants, trousers. So I'm gonna keep like these and then bring down to my size. Okay. For the sped up version, go to my Instagram. And for part 2, come back to the channel, y'all. Because today, like I said, yeah. Alright, y'all, let's get it ready. So, excuse the lighting, but these are the pants I'm gonna start with, and these are the pants. So, watch me. Where? The first thing I'm gonna do is lay them babies down. Alright, y'all. My bad. Now I'm going to lay some other pants that are already worn on top of here. So these pants are already made. I already kind of made these and was trying to do something a little funky with them. But I'm going to put them there. And actually raise it because
All I want you to
Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, Student Mafia. Yeah. And leave any comments down below that you want to know, like, more of the construction of it. But stay tuned for next class, too, so it might help you out anyway. So go ahead and turn those notifications on so you can be notified when the video drop. Don't be late to class. See y'all. Don't mind this pimple either. Mind your business.